Technology reshapes the world. Innovation links the past and future. We are KHJ Technology, a Chinese company began our quest in 1999, Shenzhen, bringing the first domestic SMT tapes to the home market. As our business expansion, in 2002, we set up branch office in Hong Kong and at Tsai Printing Company founded. The rise of new generation, the renewal of modern cities, the advancement of infrastructure, the progress of national technologies, KHJ grows up in this innovative land, striving for better future. KHJ Lighting, we are the professional solution provider for harsh and hazardous environments. Long-term reliability is the fundamental concept for KHJ, and our explosion-proof products are constantly verified by renowned ISEX, ATEX, UL as well as our global clients from different industries. We are inspired by people who are young and ambitious, who think differently and push their boundaries, people who are extremely creative and visionary, people who are perfectionist and experimentalist. Because for KHJ, passion and creation are not an option, they are our cornerstone. Quality is at the core of the way we do business. Research and development. We pursue technology to perfect our process and products. We ensure quality to deliver reliability and security. We value intelligence to scale up our manufacturing. For more than 20 years, KHJ has been delivering excellence to our business partners and also our employees. Our mission now is to provide more quality products for quality life with our innovation and persistence. Now, we are setting sail again, aiming to grow from a domestic company to a world leader in industrial providers.